Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Arithmetic 138. Let's start off using our cards to review. These are some old cards, so we're just going to go ahead and review. I'll say it first, you repeat. Ready? 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. 1 decameter equals 10 meters. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Let's try it without me giving the answers. Do you know? 1 hectometer equals, good, 100 meters. 1 meter equals 1,000 meters. 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. I hope you're getting them right. 1 decameter equals 10 meters. And last one, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Okay, let's go over your metric measures. Repeat after me. Kilo equals 1,000. Hecto equals 100. Deca equals 10. Centi equals 1/100. Milli equals 1/1000th. Deci equals 1/10. 1/10, I should say. Okay, let's try to go faster. You tell me the fraction or the number that it represents. Kilo equals 1,000. Hecto equals 100. Deca equals 10. Centi equals 1/100th. Milli equals 1/1000th. And deci equals 1/10th. Very good. We're going to review some fractions. You tell me the decimal. I'll tell you the fraction. I'll show it to you. You tell me the fraction. Ready? 5/10ths. 41/100ths. 3/100ths. 11,000ths. 3,000ths. 51/100ths. Okay, up here we have a fraction. We need to change this fraction to a decimal. Remember that we count the zeros to tell me how many place values after the decimal. How many place zeros? 1 0. Therefore, we need 1 place value after the decimal. And we have 1 number, so that fills right in. So we would say 1/10 is equal to 0.1. Here we have 3/100. Again, there are 2 zeros, making 2 place values after the decimal, but we only have 1 digit on top of the fraction. Therefore, that 1 digit needs to go in the last place value, and we add our spacer 0. Okay? This next one, we reviewed just a short, a quick moment, but I wanted to go over again. 14 7/10 is a mixed number, you know. So our mixed number, we said that the whole number goes on the left side of the decimal, on the left side. Okay? Our fraction goes on the right side, and our fraction 0 only has 1 digit, so that 7 will go there. This is our new decimal, 14.7. Let's try to go the other way. We have a decimal, we want to make it into a fraction. So 7/10 is equal to 7/10. Again, 1 place value, 1 0. 9.5. 9 is our whole number. 0.5 or 5/10 looks like this. 1 place value, 1 0. Again, another mixed number. 3 is the whole number. Our fraction should be 32. That goes on the top. And how many place values? 1, 2. Therefore, how many zeros? 1, 2 would be 100. Okay? We're going to go over to our worksheet, and we're going to talk about making change. Did it turn off? I didn't hear it. Okay, boys and girls, so let's talk about giving change. Remember we said yesterday that the clerk, if you gave her a $10 bill, she would need to give you change if that $10 bill was greater than the amount of money that you owed her. So today we're going to talk about checking if she gave you enough change or too much maybe. We need to make sure that we know that if it's the right amount of change. So let's use this scenario. We have a $5 bill, okay? I give the person a $5 bill. My item that I'm buying is $2.18, okay? $2.18. If she gave me back change, here's what it should look like, okay? Remember we said yesterday we're going to start with the smallest denomination, and the smallest denomination is a penny. And when we start at $2.18, let me write this on the board so you can see it. $2.18. Okay? And we start with a penny, so we have 1 penny. That would make it $2.19. $2.20, right? Now we're at $2.20. What can we use the smallest denomination to get to the best number? 20 cents. We can use a nickel, very good, to give us 25 cents. Now we're at $2.25. Okay? Now, think about 25 cents. We can count by 25s to go to the next dollar amount. 25, 50, 75, $1. So I used 3/4, and then we got to $3. So 25, 250, 275, $3. Okay? Now we're at $3, but remember our $5 bill. We need to get to $5. So we have $1 bill, $2 bills. I'll show you both sides of that. So now we have $5. So if the clerk gave you back 2 pennies, 1 nickel, 3/4, and $2 bills, you would say she gave you back the right amount of change. Let's go to your worksheet and check to see if some of the examples they give us are correct or not. So here's your work. Okay, so this is your worksheet. We're on page 249, lesson 138. So you have here a chart. It tells you the first item that you're going to buy is $2.57. You're going to give the clerk $3, okay? And they give you back 43 cents. The way to check that is to go backwards, starting from the smallest denomination, which is 3 pennies, all the way to the quarters, and see if you get to $3. So here's what it would look like. $2.57 and 3 pennies would make it $2.60. Add a nickel would make it $2.65. Add a dime would make it $2.75. Add a quarter would make it $3. So you can check that box. They gave you the right amount of change. The second one, $3.06 is your cost for that item you want to buy. You give the clerk $5, and again, $5 is greater than $3.06. So we need to check that if 94 cents is correct. We'll start with the pennies because they are the smallest denomination. 4 pennies will make it $3.10. 1 more nickel would make it $3.15. A dime would make it $3.25. Now, 3/4 would make it $4. Well, what happened? You needed to get to $5 that you gave the clerk. So you cannot check that box because $5 is not you gave the clerk $5, not $4. Okay, boys and girls, on the back of your worksheet, I wanted to go over pretty quickly your metric units. So number 4 says, what is the metric unit that means 1,000? Do you remember? Kilo, very good, kilo. What is the metric unit that means 1/1000th? Milli, very good. What is the metric unit that means 1/100th? Centi, very good, centi. And how about 10? Deca, very good. E says what means 1/10? Deci, very good. Remember that when it ends with an I, it's smaller than a whole. So centi, deci, milli, those are smaller than a whole or a fraction or decimal point. Okay, we will see you back tomorrow for 139. Have a great day.